When you are over 60, your eyes and your brain slow down. You wake up with blurry vision and it takes 10 minutes to feel alert. You walk into a room and forget why. You stare at a screen and your eyes feel like they are burning after only 5 minutes. It is not just aging, and it is not something you have to accept. Here is a fact that may shock you. Recent findings in the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging reveal that more than 92% of adults over 60 are deficient in at least one critical nutrient needed to repair the eyes and the brain while you sleep, not during the day. That means every night, your body is starving for what it needs to rebuild memory cells and refresh your tired, dry eyes. And no one is talking about it. Today, I will share 4 natural drinks that help recharge your brain and your eyes overnight. No medications or supplements, just pure kitchen ingredients. You just need to blend them the right way and do them at the right time. It sounds simple, it is. But the effect is powerful. Before we begin, please hit that like button. Leave a comment telling me where you are watching from, and subscribe so you do not miss important health information designed specifically for seniors. I will read all the comments. Now, let me share what you need to know. Okay, let us start with the first one, and probably the most familiar, carrot juice. Carrot juice is one of the few natural drinks that directly nourishes both the retina and the prefrontal cortex, the center of memory and focus in the brain. Here is how it works. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining the health of your retina, especially the photoreceptor cells that allow you to see in low light. Without enough vitamin A, these cells begin to degenerate, causing night blindness, blurry vision, and dry eyes, all of which are common in older adults. But that is only half the story. Carrot juice also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that have been shown to protect the macula, the part of your eye responsible for sharp central vision. These compounds do not just prevent further damage, they also help the eyes recover from oxidative stress, especially after years of screen exposure or UV exposure. Now, let us talk about the brain. Carrot juice contains a lot of falcarinol, a natural plant compound that has been shown to protect neural membranes and reduce inflammation in brain tissue. A study published in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience in 2021 found that daily consumption of beta-carotene-rich juices helped improve working memory and cognitive recall in older adults over 60, especially those showing early signs of cognitive decline. Participants who drank 250 milliliters of carrot juice each morning for 8 weeks showed a 13% improvement in visual recall tests compared with the placebo group. That may not sound like much until you realize it is the difference between forgetting your neighbor's name and remembering where you put your keys. And here is the real secret. Unlike many other juices, carrot juice is fat-soluble, which means your body absorbs the nutrients best when you combine it with healthy fat like a teaspoon of olive oil or a small handful of nuts. So, if you are going to make carrot juice part of your routine, here is what I recommend. Make it in the morning. How to use it. Use 2 to 3 medium carrots. Peel them and juice them. Add a slice of ginger if you want a bit of kick, or squeeze in lemon for extra vitamin C. And most importantly, drink it with breakfast, with something that has healthy fat. Even just a slice of whole grain toast with butter can make a difference. Because when your body gets the right fuel, your eyes wake up, your mind is sharper, and your day starts to feel completely different. Okay, next, a deep red juice that can be even more powerful than carrots, especially if you struggle with brain fog or poor circulation. It is bold, it is earthy, and it works fast. Let us talk about beet juice. Honestly, most people over 60 do not think about blood flow when they think about memory loss or blurry vision. But they should, because without strong, steady circulation, your brain and your eyes will be starved of the very thing they depend on to survive: oxygen. And that is where beet juice comes in. Beets are rich in dietary nitrates. When you drink beet juice, these nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, a natural molecule that signals your blood vessels to relax and widen. This process is called vasodilation. And it matters because when your blood vessels widen, more oxygen-rich blood reaches your brain and your retina, delivering the fuel these organs need to repair themselves, especially at night. A clinical study published in the journal Nitric Oxide in 2020 found that adults over 60 who drank beet juice daily had significantly improved cerebral blood flow, especially in the frontal lobe, the area responsible for attention, decision-making, and short-term memory. The same study found that after just 4 weeks, participants had faster reaction times and better focus in cognitive tests. And when it comes to your eyes, nitric oxide also plays a protective role. It supports the retinal blood vessel network, helping prevent microvascular damage that can lead to age-related macular degeneration. A landmark study published in reputable ophthalmology journals pointed out that nitrates in beets, once in the body, are converted into nitric oxide. This molecule not only dilates blood vessels to deliver more oxygen to the eyes, it also helps protect the retinal structure from the destruction of oxidative stress, the main culprit that makes our vision blur as we age. What I like most about beet juice is how fast it works. Because unlike fat-soluble compounds that need time to absorb, nitric oxide production from beet juice begins within 30 minutes after you drink it. That means sharper focus, better blood flow, and clearer vision, sometimes within the same day. Of course, results vary. But if you feel mentally sluggish, or if your eyes feel tired, dull, or strained in the afternoon, this may be the natural boost your body has been waiting for. So here is how I recommend you drink it. Use 1 medium raw beet, peel it, slice it, and juice it with a small apple or half an orange to balance the earthy flavor. Drink it in the afternoon between 2 and 4 p.m., when most people feel a dip in energy and mental clarity. You can also pair it with a brisk walk to maximize blood flow. But even on its own, it is incredibly powerful. Just 1 cup a day, and your brain and eyes will get the oxygen-rich blood they desperately need. Now, let us move on to a completely different kind of powerhouse, one that works at the cellular level, rebuilding and protecting your nerve cells and your retinal cells. If this information is new to you, please hit the like button. Let us move to the next ingredient. Next, the third one is a deep purple juice that most people overlook. Some foods protect, but some actually help rebuild what time and aging have taken away. And blueberry juice does both. Blueberries are one of the richest natural sources of anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that not only fight inflammation, but also stimulate neurogenesis. That means they help your body create new brain cells. That is not just theory. A landmark study published in the Journals of Gerontology Series A in 2020 found that older adults who consumed wild blueberry juice daily for 12 weeks had significant improvements in processing speed, memory recall, and neural activation on MRI scans. Researchers linked these effects to anthocyanins being able to cross the blood-brain barrier, reduce oxidative stress in the hippocampus, and increase brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a protein that helps brain cells survive and grow. And for your eyes, blueberry juice also plays an equally powerful role. Anthocyanins protect retinal ganglion cells, which are critical for transmitting visual signals from the eye to the brain. In fact, a study from Molecular Vision in 2019 showed that regularly drinking blueberry extract preserved retinal structure in older test subjects, even under oxidative damage. That is why blueberry juice is so effective. It does not just slow decline. It supports cell regeneration in the very systems that help you think clearly and see clearly. Blend them with a little water, or with half a banana if you want a thicker juice. Drink it in the evening about 90 minutes before bed. That is when your brain begins its nightly repair cycle, and these nutrients can go straight to work. Blueberry juice will not fix everything overnight, but when you give your brain and your eyes the right building blocks, they respond. Now, finally, let us talk about spinach juice. You could call it an elixir. Because spinach is one of the most underrated foods for the brain and eyes in the world. And when you juice it, you unlock its full potential. Spinach contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that are literally stored in the macula, the central part of your retina that is responsible for sharp, detailed vision. As we age, the levels of these protective pigments decline. That is when the macula becomes vulnerable to oxidative stress, UV damage, and inflammation, the root causes of blurry vision and macular degeneration. But spinach juice offers more than protection. It supports functional repair. A study published in the journal Nutrients in 2020 found that higher blood levels of lutein and zeaxanthin from leafy greens were directly associated with improved contrast sensitivity and faster visual processing speed, especially in older adults. Put simply, you see more clearly and you process what you see faster. Now, let us talk about the brain. Spinach is rich in folate, a B vitamin needed for neurotransmitter production, especially dopamine and serotonin, the brain chemicals for mood and motivation. But more importantly, folate helps regulate homocysteine, a compound that at high levels is toxic to brain cells and is closely linked to cognitive decline. In 2018, a randomized trial published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that older adults with low folate scored lower on memory and attention tests. When folate was restored through diet, cognitive function improved significantly. Spinach also provides vitamin K, which supports the integrity of brain cell membranes and plays a role in myelin formation, the protective coating around nerve cells that helps signals travel faster. What makes spinach juice especially powerful is its synergistic profile, the perfect balance of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential vitamins working together to protect, nourish, and even reactivate life-sustaining pathways. But there is a key point. Spinach contains oxalates, which can interfere with calcium absorption and may not be ideal in large amounts for people with kidney issues. That is why moderate juicing is key. Here is what I recommend. Use 1 large handful of raw spinach. Combine it with 1 green apple or half a cucumber to soften the taste. Juice it fresh and drink it in mid-morning or before lunch, when your body can fully absorb the nutrients without interference from heavy meals. Now you know the 4 juices. The important question is how to combine them into a simple plan without putting pressure on your stomach or your budget. I often follow a simple, gentle routine, a plan you can also follow every day, even with the busiest schedule or the most sensitive stomach. The key is to work with your body's natural rhythm, not against it. Your eyes and brain repair the most while you sleep, but they also go through peaks of activity during the day, especially in the morning and late afternoon. So here is how to support that rhythm. Start your day with carrot juice. In the early afternoon, usually from 2 to 4 p.m., that is your window for beet juice. A small glass can restore mental sharpness and improve blood flow right when your brain needs it most. In the evening, about 90 minutes before bed, drink blueberry juice. This helps activate antioxidant pathways in your brain, boost BDNF, and protect your retinal nerves while you sleep. Now, when does spinach juice fit best? Spinach is best earlier in the day, around mid-morning or at lunch. Folate, vitamin K, and lutein support both neurotransmitter balance and macular repair. And they absorb better when your stomach is not too full or too empty. You do not need to drink all 4 juices every day. It is not a miracle, but it is momentum. And that is often all your body needs. A little help given consistently. If you are wondering whether it is too late to start at this age, then the following words are for you. Okay, you are still watching up to this moment. And that tells me you are someone who is always hungry to live a full life and refuses to let old age define your limits. I have walked alongside people in their 70 seconds and 80 seconds, and I can tell you one thing. The human body has an astonishing ability to recover as long as we give it the right materials at the right time of day. Maybe you have felt discouraged when you forget a name or when you have to squint to read the words on your phone. But do not give up. One small change today, 1 glass of juice made from pure ingredients, is the beginning of a new momentum. Your eyes and your brain have not given up. They are just waiting for you to refuel them. Thank you for watching. If this video gave you inspiration or a useful piece of knowledge, please hit the like button and share it with your closest friends. Do not forget to subscribe to the Senior Secrets Book channel so we can write the next chapters together, brighter and clearer. Start filling your glass today. I wish you peace, clarity, and a never-ending curiosity about this wonderful world. I will see you in the next videos.